Successor and predecessor. First we learn successor. Successor. The successor of a given number is one more than the number. The successor of a given number is one more than the numbers. Okay. Then it comes just after the given number. That is, successor means a number give. So the given number is one more than the number, the next number. Okay. Then add 1. Which number we give, that we add 1, so we get the successor. The next number is called the successor. So it comes just after the given number. Successor equal to number plus 1. Which number we give, that add 1, that we get successor. So successor is a given number, is one more than the number. It comes just after the given number. So successor equal to number plus 1. So example, 5. The given number is 5. Then successor of 5 is 5. Successor of 5 is 5 plus 1 equal to 6. 6 is the successor. Then number 565. Successor of 565 equal to 565 plus 1. Number plus 1, that is successor. So number 565. So 565 plus 1, that's equal to 566. 565 after 66. So 565 plus 1 is 566. That is the successor. Successor of 565. And another example, 3649. So 3649. Successor of 3649 is 3649 plus 1. That is equal to 3650. 49 after 50. So 3649 plus 1, that is 3650. That is successor of 3649. Which are the example? So successor. Successor is the successor of a given number is one more than the number. Which one more than the number is called successor. It comes just after the given number. So successor is number plus 1. So example 5. Successor of 5 is 5 plus 1, 6. Then 565. 565 plus 1, that is 566. Then successor of 3649 is 3649 plus 1, that is 3650. 49 after 50. So the given number, the next number. Just after the given number, that is successor equal to number plus 1, that is successor. Predecessor. Predecessor. The predecessor of a given number is 1 less than the number. Predecessor of a given number is 1 less than the number. That is predecessor equal to number minus 1. Less than means minus. So the predecessor of a given number, which number we given, so that 1 less than the number minus 1. Less than number means that is minus 1. So the predecessor of a given number is 1 less than the number. So predecessor equal to number minus 1. Number minus 1 is predecessor. So example 5. Predecessor of 5 is 5 minus 1. That is equal to 4. We get 4. Predecessor 5. Predecessor of 5 is 5 minus 1. That is equal to 4. That is. Then another example, 765. 765. 765. Predecessor of 765 is 765 minus 1. That is equal to 764. Then another example, 5067. 5067. 5067. So predecessor of 5067 is 5067 minus 1. That is equal to 5066. This is the predecessor of 5067. So minus 1 number, which number we give, that minus 1, that is predecessor. But successor, which number we give plus 1, that is successor. Here which number we given, then number minus 1, that is equal to predecessor. So predecessor of a given number is 1 less than the number. So predecessor equal to number minus 1. Example, first one is 5. Predecessor of 5 is 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. Then 765, then 765 minus 1, that is equal to 764. Then another example, 5067. So predecessor of 5067 is 5067 minus 1, that is 5066. Okay, this is a predecessor. Okay, we study predecessor and successor. So write the predecessor and successor of the following numbers. Following numbers, predecessor and successor. First number is 78,61,070. This number, successor and predecessor. What is the successor and predecessor of 78,61,070? So we study successor. What is successor? Successor is after one number, just coming after number. So it's more than 1. So successor equal to number plus 1. Okay, number plus 1 is successor. So what is given number? Given number plus 1 is successor. So we can write 78,61,070 plus 1 is a successor. So what we get? We get 78,61,071. Okay, 71 is a successor of this number. This is a successor of this number. What is successor of 78,61,070? Successor is what number is given, that plus 1, add plus 1. Okay, that after coming just number. Okay, so add plus 1, that is successor. So we add 78,61,070 plus 1. So we get 78,61,071. So next, predecessor. What is predecessor? Predecessor is less than 1. Okay, what number is given? That less than 1, that is minus 1. Number minus 1 is predecessor. So what is number? We can write number 78,61,070 minus 1. Okay, minus 1, that is less than 1 number. So we get minus 1, we get 78,61,070, that is 69. This is the predecessor of this number. Okay, 78,61,070 successor. Predecessor, what we can find? So we can find successor first. Successor is what number we given with plus 1, that is add plus 1. So we get 78,61,071. Then predecessor, which number given, that less than 1, that is minus 1, number minus 1. So we get 78,61,069. So next number, question number 2, 1,57,890. Successor. We all know successor is plus 1, add 1 number. So we add the number 11. 90 plus 1. Plus 1, add 1 number is successor. So we get 11, 25, 78, 91. This is a successor of this number. Then predecessor. That is predecessor. Predecessor is less than number. That is number minus 1. So 11, 257890 minus 1. Okay, minus 1. We get 11, 25, 78, 90 means minus 1. Minus 1 is 89. Okay. 90 is the number. 90 minus 1, 89. So, this is the predecessor. Where 90 plus 1 is 91. So, that is successor, and predecessor 90 minus 1, that is 89. These are the two example, two questions. Next number, third question. Write the predecessor and successor of the following. Then third question. Here we find successor and predecessor. Successor we know number plus the what number is given plus 1. So, number is, I can write the number 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 8, 9 plus 1. That is successor. We get 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 89. Okay, last number is 89. 89 plus 1 is 90. So, last number is 90. This is a successor. Then predecessor. Predecessor is a less than number or number minus 1. So, we write 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 8, 9 minus 1. That is less than number 1. So, minus 1. We get 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. Last number, last place is 89. 89 minus 1. 89 minus 1 is 88. So, last number is 88. That is a predecessor. Okay. Successor, which number give plus 1. Which number that add 1. That we get the successor. And predecessor, which number give and that minus 1 less than 1, we get the predecessor. Okay. Then fourth question. Fourth question, again we find the successor and predecessor. So, successor number plus 1. Successor number plus 1. So, we write number 5, 6, 6, 9, 7, 9, 8, 9, 9 plus 1. Add plus 1. Plus 1. So, we get 5, 6, 6, 9, 7, 9, 8, 9. So, here the last number is 99 or 899. The last place number is 899. That plus 1. Okay. 899 plus 1. What we get? 99 plus 1 is 100. So, 899 plus 1 is 900. So, here what we get? 900. Okay. That is a successor of this number. But which number we give, that plus 1, add 1, that we get successor. So, we write the number. This is the number. We can write the number plus add 1. So, we get this number. This number, the last digit is 99. 99 plus 1 is 100. So, we see there is a 100 place is 8. So, 899. So, we get 900. That is a successor of that number. Then, predecessor. Number minus 1. So, last two digit is 99. 99 minus 1 we get 98. So, predecessor is 5, 6, 6, 9, 7, 9, 8, 9, 8. That is the predecessor of the number. So, this number, successor, number plus 1, we get the successor. Then predecessor, number minus 1, we get the predecessor of this number. Okay. Place value system. Next we study place value system. Place value system in India, Indian place value system and international place value system. There are two forms of place value system, Indian place value system and international place value system. Here we study Indian place value system. In Indian place value system, there are periods and place, separated in periods and place. Then periods are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 periods, mainly 4 periods, and places are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 places, and there are 4 periods. Periods are ones, thousands, lakh, crores. Then places, each of the in one period, first period is ones, then second one is thousand, then third one is lakh, and fourth one is crores. In first periods there are three places. That is, first one is ones, tens and hundred. Ones, tens and hundred. Ones is ones, that is same number. Then 10 place is 20, that is in 10 place. The 2 is written in here. So then 100 place is 100, place value is 100. Here 20, 10, 30 etc. is a 10th place, and 100 place we write 100. So we can write 300, 200 etc. are here in 100 place. So that value we write here is the first digit, that is 3 or 2. But 300 we write in 3 in 100 place, and here 10th place 20, then first digit 2 is right in 10th place. Okay, ones place is the first value, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the 10 in ones place. Then 10 place is 10, 20, 30, 40 etc. Then the first digit we written in 10th place, that is then 100 place, 100 is in 100, 300, 200, 500 etc. So the first digit is we write in 100 place. So first place in Indian place value system, there is 4 periods and 9 sub places. So first period is ones, that 1 is divided in 3 places. Each 3 places, first one is ones, second one is tens, and third one is 100. In number, example 252. 252. This we written in Indian place value system in ones. So first number is 2. 2 is in ones place. 2 is in one place. Then second place is tens. This is 10 is the second place, and third is the 100 place. Then 2 is in 100 place. So 252 is the number. In Indian value system, we place this in place value system. We get 252. First number is 2. 2 is in ones place, and 5 is in 10 place, and 2 is in 100 place. So we write in here, first one is 2. So we write 2 in this place. 2. Then 5. 5 in tens place. So 5 we write in this place. 5. Then 2. Third place is 100. That place is 2. So this number is we written in 100 place. 252. 252. Read it. 252. Ones, tens, 100. That is the place value of 252 in Indian place value system. Then next place or next period is 1000. 1000 period is second period. So this period is divided in two category, that is 1000 and 10,000. 1000, we know 1000, this is 1000. So this value is all recorded in 1000 place. So then 10,000 we get 10,000. This is 10,000. This place and the place value is 10,000. So 1000 we get 1000. There's a place value is 1000. So 1000 is the second period. 1000 is the second period, but the place have two places are here, that is 1000 and 10,000. But ones have three places. In one's period, ones have three places. Ones, tens, 100. Then second one is 1000. Thousands have only two places. Each in two places. There is 1000 and 10,000. In 1000 there is place value is 1000. 10,000 place value is 10,000. Okay, 10,000 place value is 10,000. So example, we write 32,521. Example, 32,521. This write in Indian place value system. First we see this is a number. Okay, this is a number. We put this in periods and places. So we get first number in ones place, then 10th place, 100 place, 1000 place, and 10,000 place. But first number is represented in ones, second number is 10 place, and third number is 100 place, and fourth number is in 1000 place and fifth number is in 10,000 place. So we write in this table, we get in Indian value system, Indian place value system, we write 32,521 in this table. We wrote here 32,521. So first one is 1, that is placed in 1 is here. Okay, 1 is 1 spirit and 1 place. 1 spirits and 1 place. We wrote 1 in this place. Then second number is 2. 2 we put in place tens. Okay, this also in period ones. That also in period 1 and 2 is coming from place tens. So we write this in tens. Then third one is 5. 5 is in 100, place in 100. That is, this is in ones. Period ones, place 100. Periods ones and place 100. Because period 1 have 3 sub places. Okay, that is ones, tens, 100. So third one is 100 place. So 5 is 500. So 5 we written in here. So 5 is in here, 5. Then the next number is 2. 2 in another period. 2 and 3 in another period. This is the first 3 places. This first 3 place belongs to periods ones. Okay. This first 3 place belongs to first places. That is first place is first period. First periods is ones. Okay. Then fourth number is 2. 2 is coming from the period 1000. So 2 is coming from 1000. Then 1000 have first is 1000, second is 10,000. First one is 1000 and second one is 10,000. So 2 is coming from period 1000 and subcategory or sub places 1000 and 10,000. So 2 is coming from 1000. So there is 2000. We write here 2, only that number 2. Then again the last number in 3. 3 is in same period 1000 but the place is in 10,000. But this place is 10,000 but it belongs to same period 1000. So first period is 1 and second period is 1000. 3 and 2 belongs to second period and 5, 2, 1 is belongs to first period's ones. So the last number 3 is in 1000 period. So it's put in 10,000, that is 30,000. That is 3 written in the place of 10,000. 3 written in the place of 10,000. That is 3. So the number 32,521 that placed in Indian place value system we write in here. So first one is ones place, we wrote in one place in ones periods. Then 2 in 10th place, we wrote in 10th place in 1 periods. And 5 we write in 100 place, that is belongs to ones. Then 32, 2 means 1000, that's another period, that is second period is 1000. So 2 is belongs to 1000 period, that is first 1000. So we 2 wrote in second. Then third, last one, last fourth period, fourth place belongs to 10,000. So 3 is wrote in 10,000, that is 30,000. So first letter we wrote 3 in the place of 10,000.